Welcome to Chill Voyage TV. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most exciting new drones of 2025, the SPECTA Mini 4K. It's ultra compact, incredibly lightweight, and shoots stunning 4K video. At first glance, it looks just like the DJI Mini 2, and for good reason. The SPECTA Mini 4K is nearly identical in both design and features. It delivers crisp 4K video, stable flight performance, and intuitive controls, just like the DJI Mini 2. But here's the twist. It offers up to 10 kilometers of flight range under optimal conditions. That's seriously impressive for a drone in this price range. And the best part? It's slightly more affordable, and it's assembled in Malaysia. So you're getting the same high-quality performance at a lower cost. A solid choice for anyone looking for a budget-friendly alternative without compromise. All without the high price tag. In this video, we'll unbox the drone, take it for a test flight, and see how well it performs in real-world conditions. You'll get a look at the camera quality, stabilization, smart flight features, and more. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first drone or an experienced pilot in need of a reliable portable option, the SPECTA Mini 4K might just surprise you. Smooth footage, easy controls, and a sleek design make it a solid contender in the budget drone category. Stay tuned to see what this little flying beast can really do. And if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews and cinematic adventures. Let's fly.